Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable brand positioning visuals with Canva, full guide step by step clearly.
Open Canva and log into your account.
On the home page, click on the Create a Design button. Select the type of visual you wish to create, such as a social media post or a presentation. Familiarize yourself with the Canva interface, including the toolbar and design elements.
Choose a template that aligns with your brand identity.
If necessary, use the search bar to find specific themes or styles.
Click on the selected template to open it in the design workspace.
Review the template customization options available on the left side of the screen. To change the background, click on the background area. Select a color or upload an image that represents your brand. Next, click on the text elements within the template to edit them. Input your brand messaging, ensuring it reflects your values and voice. Adjust the font style, size, and color to match your brand guidelines.
Utilize the Elements tab on the left sidebar to add shapes, icons, or illustrations. Search for graphics that can enhance your visual storytelling. Drag and drop the chosen elements onto your design. Position them appropriately, ensuring balance and harmony in the layout. Consider adding your logo to reinforce brand recognition. To do this, upload your logo file using the Uploads tab. Once uploaded, drag your logo onto the design and resize it as needed. Pay attention to spacing and alignment to maintain a professional look. Preview your design by clicking the Present button at the top right. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. When satisfied with your design, click the Download button. Select your preferred file type, such as PNG or JPG. Click Download again to save your visual to your device. Now you can use your brand positioning visuals across various platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.